Coming up in and around the city of Pattaya today and the coming week, backed by popular demand, is the kitchen party buffet at the YiTong Chinese restaurant and sky bar at the Melia Hotel on Pattaya Second Road. An evening of flavour, flair and fun with interactive live cooking stations, live entertainment and unlimited signature dishes. This is priced at just 1,500 baht plus and now with a special offer, come two and pay for only one. That's from 7 till 10 p.m. this Saturday the 15th of November. Kick off the Christmas celebrations early over at the Pattaya International Ladies Club Christmas Bazaar. The venue is the Holiday Inn Hotel on Pattaya Beach Road. Lots to see and do for the whole family, shopping for the adults, lots of great deals up for grabs and a raffle with some great prizes. Fun and games for the little ones to keep them busy, and Santa will be there too. Entry for this is 100 baht for adults and free for kids under 12. All for a good cause, as proceeds will go to charity, and that's from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. on Sunday the 16th of November. Thailand's largest beachside coffee event is back this weekend. That's the Chonburi Coffee on the Beach 2025, featuring over 60 famous cafes and restaurants from across the country, serving all kinds of coffee from all around the world. That's on Pattaya Beach, opposite the Hard Rock Hotel, from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. Lots of fun for the whole family at the Best Buy Fair and Balloon Festival at the Maprajan Lake Public Park, with over 120 market stalls, giant balloon shows every hour in the evenings, an amusement park for the kids, food trucks and live music every evening. Entrance is completely free. That's from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m, daily until Saturday the 15th. Saturday and Sunday will see the Marina International Tattoo Festival at the Central Marina Outlet Mall on Pattaya Second Road, with famous tattoo artists from all around the world, over 20 tattoo competitions, workshops and live entertainment too. Eat all you can this Saturday evening at the Symphony of Elements Buffet at the Elements Restaurant at the Intercontinental Pattaya Resort. Indulge in imported oysters and seafood on ice, Australian prime rib, rock lobster, an international cheese station and much more. That's priced at just 1,290 baht per person from 6 till 10 p.m. And bookings are now open for the matcha workshop at the Brew and Bar at the Holiday Inn Hotel. Learn how to make 3 matcha menus, take home your own matcha making equipment and powder, and enjoy desserts throughout the event. That's next Saturday the 22nd of November, and pre-reservations for this one are essential. For more information on these events or to find out what else is happening in and around the city ahead of time, visit our events page over on our website, alwayspattaya.com.